All right. Well, we're going to start with a problem where you're supposed to find the slope of the line and interpret what that slope means. So we've got a line that goes through 0, 0, and it goes through 5, 3. All right, so given this picture, we're supposed to first of all find the slope of the line. Now, when you're finding the slope of a line, you can use any 2 points to figure out the slope. So you might as well make it some points that are easy for you. So in this problem, we are given that the line goes through 0, 0, and we're given that it goes through 5, 3. So we might as well use those points since that's what we're given. But if there were easier points, we could use those. All right, so slope is the rise over the run on our line. So you're going to go from one point to another one. So here, if we go up 3 over 5, that'll get us from one point to the next. So our rise was 3, and our run was 5. Now, we didn't have to start at 0, 0. We could have started at 5, 3 and gone down 3 and to the left 5. Now, if you're going down or to the left, those are negative. So if you're going down 3 and to the left 5, you're going to have negative 3 over negative 5, which simplifies. Negative divided by negative is always positive. So you see the slope is still 3/5. Whether
so
you started.
The rise is always y and the run is always x?
The rise is, yes, the change in the y, and the run is the change in the x. Now, you also could figure this out using the slope formula, which is given by slope is the second y minus the first y divided by the second x minus the first x.
Okay.
So if you did it that way, here is the second y minus the first y, 3 minus the 0. And then the second x minus the first x would be 5 minus 0.
Okay.
And you're still going to end up with 3/5. But you wouldn't have, it doesn't matter which ordered pair you start with as long as you're consistent. So you could have also started with this point right here. And you could have said 0 minus 3 over 0 minus 5. And then you would have negative 3 over negative 5, which again is 3/5. The important thing is that you're doing the change in y as the numerator of your slope, and the change in x is the denominator.
Okay.
Okay? Now.
Okay, now I understand the slope.
Yes. Okay, now you also need to understand the slope verbally. So how is the y changing if the x goes to the right 5 units? So for every 5